I'm Joel Perana, and along with my partner Bob Bauer and Jude Vigil, we're the owners here at Dynamic Machine. And what we do here is we provide quality machine tools and the best service and support in the industry after the sale. And the way we achieve that is by having a trained staff that goes out after the sale and make sure that the people that we sell the machine to are properly trained, and that if they have any issues after the sale, we move out to them.
Hi, my name is Keith Armstrong with Dynamic Machine. I'm the applications engineer here, and here is our Neurotech MW100. We sell this machine to help assist our customers in automating their process.
I am the controller for Dynamic Machine, so that means that I handle all of their accounts payable, accounts receivable, logistics for the company, scheduling, anything that somebody might need.
Normal day for me, machine consists of a lot of emails to start with, and then we have to decide where each technician is going to go to do service on certain machines, and we have to put them in order, prioritize not only the technicians but also keep
Smart line, and actually you can see that, if you drive by on the $1 Million Highway where our building is at, we have a sign out front that has all of our main lines on it. And so we have the Smart line, which is a Korean-based machine. We have the Merco line, some of it's still built in the USA. We have the Neurotech automated turning, which is a Japanese machine. Matter of fact, I just got